Hello everyone and welcome to week 4. We're now past the halfway mark and we only have 2 more weeks to go. In terms of last week's assignments on the Multiple Intelligences Forum, you all had a lot of nice examples of famous people with each type of intelligence. For the future, the biggest feedback I have is that you'll have 3 more discussion posts, and I'd really like to make sure that you respond to at least 2 other people's posts and really provide detailed responses that can lead to real discussion. So you'll get 10 points for a perfect original post, but you also get 1 point for each response. So if you don't respond to other people's posts, even if you have a great original post, you can't get full credit. In terms of your tests on Chapter 4 and Chapter 8, everyone did really well. The scores for Chapter 7 on average were a little lower, but I added 1 point to everyone's score because there was a question that the majority of people got wrong, so that bumped up the average a bit. For this week, we're covering 2 chapters. We're covering lifespan development and personality. For the development chapters, we've got several different videos that will help you understand the concepts we discussed in class, and I really encourage you to watch these. Then you'll do a discussion forum, which is based on a real case that should get you thinking about the role of nature versus nurture in the development of certain behaviors. Be sure that in your original post you answer all 5 of these questions and then respond to at least 2 other people's posts as usual. For the personality chapter, I've got another short video. Your assignment, I've got a Word document right here that looks like this. It's a table for you to fill out. And what I'd like you to do is think about the advantages and disadvantages of being high on each personality trait. So what are the advantages of being high on extroversion, and what are the disadvantages of being high on extroversion? Then what I'd like you to do is come up with a famous person who's an example of someone high on each trait and explain why you think that person is high on that trait. Then you can submit your files to Moodle. You'll submit them right here. If possible, please submit it as a .doc or .pdf file. That makes it most likely that I'll be able to open it, but I will let you know if you submit something that I cannot open. You'll also have extra credit for this chapter if you choose to do it. The extra credit is basically to take an online personality test and critically evaluate your results to answer the questions that I've listed here. And then you'll submit it here. And then finally, as usual, you'll have 1 test per chapter. So have a great week, and I will talk to you next week.